What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. It's your girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at our gym, and this gym is called WOLFZDEN. WOLFZDEN, baby. Okay, so we thought we'll just wait for a bit. So we've been at this gym for now 2 weeks, going on to our 3rd week, and we have been legit just enjoying every single moment. We love what they stand for. We love their work. We just love everything about them. So we thought we'll bring you guys along so you could see what we have been doing lately. We also do apologize, we have not been consistent with our content. We've been so busy. Our car is broken. Our flights were not booked, but they're booked now. So just letting you know, family, we are actually going to Samoa at the end of the year. My younger brother, Nigel, with a picture of him over here, is getting married to her.
Yeah.
There. So they're getting married at the end of the year, and we're all preparing to go Samoa. So we've been just so busy hustling and grinding and just trying to get everything organized, everything that we need organized. And yeah, we've just been really busy with life in general. But we do apologize to TNS family. You know, it's not, we chose to pick up this camera today so we could just get back in the flow of things and just dive in. Just no excuses, just dive right in.
Alright family, so we're just about to park the car up and head into WOLFZDEN. Sorry, I'm actually nervous for this workout.
Don't be nervous. Oh, you're nervous?
I am. Every time
nervous.
we come here.
Honestly, I'm nervous every time, and you know why I'm nervous? It's because I hate running. I get nervous to run, but it's okay. I feel like every class that we've been doing, like I feel like a little bit of progress. Yeah.
Getting better and better each day, and that's what it's all about, fam. To move forward and don't look back, just look forward to the future. Future you. Just run towards your future you. Yeah fam, so like I said, we're about to park the car up, head on inside and prepare for our session. Also, if you do live in Melbourne like we do, and you want to come to this place and take advantage of the facilities, the vibes, the fellowships, everything in this wellness center, then
just wait and see. But all we have to say is the gym is free. Yes, you heard it right here, TNS family. The gym is for free. Bye. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but I also just wanted to say shout out to my brother Lorenzo, who we call Soso, and sister Keilor for letting us borrow their other baby. They've got 2 cars. But they let us borrow their car for the weekend because, like I said earlier, Tuxx and I actually don't have a car. Our car is broken, and Tuxx's work car is unregistered. But we still drive it. But don't tell on us, okay? warm-up. That wasn't even the workout. Guys, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna quickly introduce you. The guy that did our warm-up is Greg.
Hey guys, how you going?
And he's one of the trainers here at the gym. Bro, how do you feel?
Yeah, good.
Are you dying or you're all good?
Yeah, dying.
That was only a warm-up, man, and it's honestly a killer. You see it, like all shiny. It's not baby oil, it is sweat.
I didn't splash myself. It's sweat. Let's go. This is the bit that I get a bit nervous about.
So you're going to pair with?
Pair with someone.
So guys want a partner and girls want a partner.
You have to pair with someone, but really, I want to be with my husband. Oh, sis. My partner's tonight. Okay, so introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Sera.
This is actually my cousin's wife's niece. Yeah, my cousin's wife's niece. This is Lani right here. This is her niece. Okay, we're gonna get into this workout and we'll be back. Alofa lava malolele TNS fans. My name is Audrey and I'm one of the leaders at WOLFZDEN Melbourne. We're based in Keilor East, and we just want to share that we are providing these free services if you want to become a better version of yourselves through fitness. Come along, our address is below, and make sure that you do register. That's all we ask, is that you register on our website. Follow us on Instagram, that's at WOLFZDEN.wellness, and also our Facebook page, which is WOLFZDEN Melbourne. We wish you all the best. God bless, and Wolf baby.
Okay family, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you subscribe down below, right over here. And this gym is for free, so make sure you come down and check this gym out. On 3 family, 1, 2, 3, Wolf baby!
Thanks for hanging around.
My man, my man. Shout us. You killed it, man. Done well. Let's go.